Okay, the easiest way to multiply two binomial by each other. How to multiply two binomial by each other? By applying this keyword FOIL. F for first, O for outer, I for inner, and L for last. How? As we have here x plus 8 times x plus 5. Let's follow our key here first, so you'll multiply first by first, which is x by x, which is x squared. Then outer, the outer number here is x in the first bracket and 5 in the last bracket. Two outer number, the first number and the last number, okay, which is 8 times x times 5, which is 5x. Third, inner, the two numbers which are inside, in between, which are 8 and x. Of course, 8 times x is 8x. Finally, the last with the last number with the last number, which is of course 8 times 5, which is 40. After multiplying them, we're gonna add the like terms, which are here 5x with 8x. 5 plus 8, which is 13. So my final answer will be x squared plus 13x plus 40. Let's have another example. Okay, and you're gonna do it with me. Again, first time first, so we'll multiply 2y times y, which is 2y squared. O, outer, which is 2y times 7, which is 14y. I for inner, which is negative 6 times y, which is negative 6y. Finally, the last with the last, of course, which is what? Yes, negative 6 times 7, which is negative 42. Okay, what will be the answer? Again, add the like terms, which are 14y minus 6y, which is 8y. So my final answer will be 2y squared plus 8y minus 42. That's it.